more snacks in this?
Oh no, that's good, thanks.
I got a couple bars. Do you want to take my bars? No? They're good ones. They're not Cliff bars.
Really? What are they?
Raspberry peanut butter with whole almonds and whole raspberries in it.
So let's see, just getting started. It's right before 7, the sun's coming up, and John and Irie showed up. So cool. Totally made my day. So we hung out with them all afternoon yesterday in the shade, and then all evening, and now they're gonna explore Death Valley in the car while we ride our bicycles across Death Valley again. It's now 8 o'clock-ish. Just looking for a spot. I'll probably pull over here and have breakfast and kind of just do my first morning stop. But I've just been going crazy taking pictures of this canyon wall behind me. We're coming up out of Death Valley, and it's kind of a easy, gentle climb. And the sun is low, and just the landscape's incredible. I'm sitting here with my camera out, snapping pictures, you know, while I'm pedaling and trying to keep from falling. Just beautiful, beautiful. Hoping to get as many shots as I can get before the sun gets up too high. Basically out here in the middle of nowhere, between Death Valley Junction and Pahrump. Just crossed the Nevada border about 5 miles ago. Got 20 miles to go for the day. Gonna get a motel room in Pahrump. There's the thriving metropolis of Pahrump. I am so glad to be here and see the little bit of cloud cover. Boy, that sure helped. So we're sitting here on the ground in front of a convenience store, drinking Coke, drinking beer, eating junk food, and trying to find a motel for the night. And I think we found one. The AC is on, the room is secure, and we are set. I'm not going nowhere.